over the years, ever since the industry, started working, there's always been a drive of modernizing the way we are working, of always bringing in new technology, of bringing in systems and procedures to work, wherein we are able to efficiently utilize resources, maximize efficiency, and make sure that we get the best from the available resources and deliver the value to all stakeholders involved in the business. But in the last 2 years, ever since COVID hit us, suddenly we realized, not only in cement industry, but across the globe, that there is a need for newer ways of doing things. And in a way, like if we go back to, what demonetization did, it brought in a very, very fast adaptation to digital currency of making online payments and things like that. And then GST, what it did was it brought in more and more number of people under the umbrella of, the banking transactions and making sure that everything is registered. And once, let me talk about cement industry. The day, COVID impacted us and we realized that people could not, come on a one-to-one contact with each other in an industry where in our packing plant, we have hundreds of boys working together in the entire industry. There are a number of vehicles, number of raw material handling, some manual, some through, mechanized means. And suddenly you had to run the plant with maintaining social distances, with making sure that people don't come in contact with each other. And therefore, the embracing of digitization and the sustainability drive suddenly took a very, very fast track mode.